and welcome to UDN'S Marketing Solutions. Today I'm going to talk about how to increase your email list. First, what I see people are doing is giving out freebies. Freebies, free templates, free checklists, free stock photos. So in order to create that, you will need a page that is called sales page. Every email software that you are using has that landing page. So in the landing page, you are going to create all sorts of information. So what I like to use is leaddpages, Instapages, Aweber. All of this is going to be in the description below, the links. And basically what you're doing is you're sharing a photo of the checklist or the template or the stock photo, and all you're asking them in exchange is their email address, sometimes their name and email address, and that's it. A lot of times people do give it out, their email addresses, and then they get their templates, checklist, or the stock photos that you promised. Other people doing is, let's say they don't want to do just checklist and templates and stock photos, so instead they do courses. So let's say it's a 7-day course or a 5-day challenge or a 3-day challenge. In order for them to join your course that you kind of like going to be emailing it to them, then they sign up for it. They use their names, their email address, and they sign up for the course. Now that you have the list, you want to make sure they are not gonna be unsubscribed. All they want to do is to stay. So in order for them to stay, you need to nurture them, meaning that let's say they signed up for your course, you want to nurture them and give them more valuable content in order for them to read and keep on waiting for your next email. I like Adobe Spark email. They always update me with the new templates that they have on their website. They always offer me some blog information, what I can do with the templates that I have. And then they gave me also people who have used their stocks and made money out of it. So kind of like you want to use as much information as you can and be more inspired to do it, because that's what I'm looking for. You know, that's what I sign up. A lot of times people don't usually do it. I mean, once I sign up for a course or a checklist or a template, whatever, I'm bombarded with sales. So I automatically unsubscribe because that's not what I signed up for. I need to be nurtured. I need to know what else you offer. Give me a like if that's how you do also when you're signing up for something and you expect it to be delivered to you in your email. Now you want to also make sure that they open your emails. That's another thing that you want to do while you're nurturing them. So when you open your emails, you want to have the best subject line. So I have a tons of subject lines for you to use. So it can be for sales, for holidays, for promotions, for nurturing. It's in the description below. You can download it and use it to your own advantage. Let's see what kind of offers you can do. You can offer free sample consultations. You can offer a survey or questionnaire, infographics, cheat sheets, how-to guide, checklist, ebooks. You can share your blog articles. So I have some websites. Let's say I want to read an article. They tell me I have to be a member, but that is for paid member. So in order to do that, you need to put your name, email address, and on top of that, you need to pay for it in order for you to get access to the full article. You can do the same, but if you want to do it for free, just ask them to put in their name and email so they can read the full article. Case studies and webinar. When I say about surveys and quizzes, I usually do, for example, a giveaway. So in that giveaway, kind of like when they answer a lot of questions, in order for them to get a free gift card, I don't know, from Amazon or from whatever store you want. And people usually want it, and they actually put their name and information, and they take the time to actually answer the questions that I do have for them, and then they get a gift card. So give me in the comments if you feel there's more that actually can be put on as a lead magnet. What kind of product do you have and you want to build that email list for that particular audience? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to this channel if you really loved it and you want to see more content. Watch these 2 more videos and I'll see you on the next video.